Good morning, students. Today we have to see 3.2, a lesson in life from a baker. It is written by Sudha Murthy. First, we have to see the introduction of the writer. Sudha Murthy is one of the best writers in India. She is an engineer. She is gold medalist in her post-graduation. She completed her education in computer science. Now she is lecturer. She is social worker. Her ideas are innovative. She is the writer of Dollar Bahu, Mahashweta, House of Cards. They are translated in different languages in India. She is winner of many awards. Her nature is very simple. Simple living and high thinking, this is the specialty of Sudha Murthy. She is fond of stories, and with the help of different stories, she wanted to teach moral education. Her stories for children are very famous. In this lesson, writer wanted to tell us even a small incident can change our life. It became turning point of our life. In this lesson, writer wanted to tell us the philosophy of life. Meena is a good friend of mine. Meena, Sudha, both are friends. She is an LIC officer earning a good salary. Sudha and Meena both are friends. Meena is an LIC officer and she has a very good salary. Salary means here payment. She is earning a good package, but there was always something strange about her. But what is the speciality of Meena? What is the strange thing about Meena? Strange means uncommon. Meena is always pessimistic. She always showed her negativity. But there was always something strange about her. She was forever unhappy. Means she never happy. Whenever I met her, I would start to feel depressed. And whenever Sudha came in contact with Meena, at that time Sudha felt depression. It was as though her gloom and cynicism had a way of spreading to others. Gloom, feeling of sadness. And cynicism, a distrustful attitude. What was her nature? She was always pessimistic. Her sadness and her attitude, it spread to others. She never had anything positive to say on any subject or about any person. Her negativity always spread to others. She never prays to others. She never says good things about others or about anything. It was her strange thing. For instance, for example, I might say to her, Meena, did you know Rakesh has come first in his school? When Sudha described, Rakesh is very talented. He has come first in his school. At that time, immediate answer from Meena immediate response would be to belittle the achievement. Meena wanted to belittle the achievement of Rakesh by saying, naturally, his father is a school teacher. She would say, no special achievement of Rakesh because his father is a school teacher and that's why he stood first in school. If I said, Meena, Shweta is a very beautiful girl, isn't she? When Sudha wanted to praise Shweta, wanted to praise her beauty, at that time, pessimistic Meena immediately responds, when Aponi is young, he looks handsome. Her immediate reply, Aponi is young. When Aponi is young, he looks handsome. No speciality of Meena. When Aponi is young, he looks handsome. It is the age that matters. The age affects. Wait for some time. If you wait for some years, Shweta will be uglier than anyone you know. In the course of time, Shweta will be uglier than anyone. This is the immediate reply of Meena. When Sudha says, Meena, it's a beautiful day. Let's go for a walk. Let's walk. We will go for walking. At that time, what's the immediate response from Meena? No, the sun is too hot. Today, the atmosphere is not so good for walking. And I get tired if I walk too much. If I continuous walk, I feel tired. Besides, who says walking is good for health? There's no proof. And show me the proof. Who says walking is good for health? Walking is good exercise. Such type of Meena. Always she is saying negative about someone and about something. That was Meena. Meena is a strange lady. Meena's nature is totally pessimistic. She is chronic pessimistic. Meena stayed alone in an apartment and because of her job, she was living in an apartment in Bangalore as her parents lived in Delhi. Her parents, they lived in Delhi. She was an only child and had the habit of complaining about anything and everything. Her gloomy nature, her negativity, it spread to others and she has a habit to complain continuously about any person or about anything. Naturally, she wasn't a very pleasant company. Her personality was unpleasant. She is pessimistic and that's why very few people attached with her. She has a very less friend and nobody wanted to visit her. And because of her nature, no one ready to meet her, to visit her. Then one day, Meena was transferred to Bombay and her job was transferable. She transferred from Bangalore to Bombay. Bombay, new name is Mumbai. Bombay was the official name of Mumbai until 1995. Meena transferred to Bombay and soon we all forgot about her. She transferred to Bombay, she settled to Bombay. She is an LIC officer but because of her gloomy nature, because of her negativity, very soon we all forgot about her, means the people who are attached with her in Bangalore, they soon forget her. This is the nature of Meena. And in this paragraph, Sudha Murthy wanted to describe the strange nature of Meena. Thanks.